How to fix Facebook Friends shortcut bar missing error on Facebook app. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix Facebook Friends shortcut bar missing on Facebook app. Well, the process itself is pretty simple, so let me guide you through. If you open up Facebook and if you see that there is no the Friends tab on your Facebook account, now you'll have to fix the issue. How you can fix it, right? So what you can do is, if you do not get the shortcut to the friend request or the friend shortcut bar here, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Scroll down and head into settings and privacy, and then tap on settings. If you tap on settings, if you scroll down under preferences, you should be able to find the option that says tab bar. Right here you can see tab bar. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll see the customize the bar option. Choose what you like to see on the tab bar. Tap on it, and from here you can look in for friend request option, and you can see it's set to auto. You want to tap on it and you want to set it to pin. So once you pin it, it'll be pinned on your tab bar here and it won't be removed automatically. So this is how you can fix Facebook Friends shortcut bar missing on Facebook app. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.